think that love just wasn't for me, but you said you'd prove me wrong if I just wait and see. So you asked me out for coffee on a Friday night, and I don't even like coffee, but it just felt right. Ooh, I never saw this coming. Ooh, well, yesterday we were we, but yesterday you said you didn't need me, and that was the day that you gave it all up. Just yesterday I thought we might be in love. We used to go walking in the evening just before it got dark. It was strange in such a short time how you came to hold my heart. And it scares me now looking back on how fast I felt. Back then it was exciting with your hand that I held. Ooh, I never saw this coming. Ooh, I should've took off running, 'cause yesterday we were we, but yesterday you said you didn't need me, and that was the day that you gave it all up. Just yesterday I thought we might be in love. You told me you were here for good. You said stop looking over your shoulder, there's no one there, and I will protect you. So I let my guard down faster than I should. Thought I'd be fine, and I was when you were mine. But yesterday we were we, but yesterday you said you didn't need me, and that was the day that you gave it all up. Just yesterday I thought we might be in love, but yesterday we were we. Sometime in this past week you stopped caring about me, so I would be old and innocent. At least that's what you told me you needed to do. I guess somewhere in our last few days you changed, made a list of your priorities, sat down and rearranged. And I didn't make the cut, though I did all I could. I guess I let my guard down faster than I should.